Yeah, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with one more video, and today we have one of my friend MOKSHITH with us. So already he has given his HP experience on our channel. If you not yet seen that video, just click on this video and just go and have a look into that. So guys, in this video today we'll be looking what how is the management at the HP and how is its salary procedure and how is the team actually at the HP, and we'll be looking into its mode of working and its training. Everything we'll be covering in this video. So without wasting much time, I will come to the main talk with MOKSHITH. Hi MOKSHITH, welcome again to our channel, buddy.
Hi Akshay, thank you very much.
So yeah, MOKSHITH, as I mentioned, we won't be wasting much of our time. We'll jump to our main talk. So yeah,
Yeah,
just start with how was your first day at HP?
before we starting, I know the time is very much precious here to everyone. So let's do not waste time now. So I'll be getting into the points.
Mm-hmm.
So the May 23rd was my first joining day,
Mm-hmm.
and okay, the HR and the managers were super cool.
Mm-hmm.
And when I visited there, okay, oh buddy, you came to office. Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
They were
Yeah.
kind of a shocked.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, it was a completely work from home for up to 2.5 to 3 months,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
where we were undergone for training.
Mm-hmm.
Though, so the first week, I mean, 23rd to 30th of May,
Mm-hmm.
I was in the AMS. I mean,
AMS.
yeah, AMS means American region,
Acha. Mm-hmm.
or I could say that as a GT also, Greater. I mean GA, Greater Asia.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So I was part of that.
I
So
mean,
later on,
probably it's like
yeah,
your client was from America. I mean, your clients was supposed to from America.
no, the training was supposed to be on based on those
Those
countries,
countries. Acha.
which belongs to GA and AMS.
Acha. Okay.
So later on, after a week, I don't know what happened. So they have just pushed me into the Indian region.
Acha. Okay.
So now it's 9 to 6.
Acha.
Obviously, if anyone asks me, okay,
Uh-huh.
come on, yeah, I'm in 9 to 6 work.
Okay.
That's a
Got it.
peaceful job for me.
Acha. Uh-huh. So.
So 2.5 month training has gone,
Mhm.
and I have cleared my evals, and now
Mhm.
I'm on floor now.
So yeah,
And even I have experienced a week now.
got it. It's a great, pretty great. I guess I guess from since from 3 months you have been joined at HP. I guess 3 or 2 months. I guess three
It's
months.
almost 3 months. Yeah.
3 months. So Mokshit, you mentioned regarding the training at HP, right? So how was the training basically? Based upon what they will be giving training? Any talk on that?
So if I talk about a training, means it's kind of for two things. So
Mm-hmm.
where one thing is they'll strongly focus on the soft skills,
Mm-hmm.
where the accent, like way of talking in language English and Hindi,
Mm-hmm.
they do prefer more this. And the second part is like a technical. It's
Mm-hmm.
completely technical thing.
Okay.
So where we could learn about the hardware,
Mm-hmm.
operating systems, and the networking.
Okay.
So completely these 2.5 months, it's a complete training on the soft skills
Okay.
as well as the technical.
All right. As you mentioned, at the end of the training, you'll be having assessment kind of thing.
Yeah,
So once you are clear in that, then you will be directly jumping into full time.
yeah.
So there is no probation period, Mokshit.
No, actually, it's like a provision period for us. I
Okay.
mean, I
Mm-hmm.
cannot say it's in direct provision,
Mm-hmm.
but it's a kind of thing where a training period is also called as a provision period
Okay.
for us.
Okay. Chalo, got it. So we'll discuss about its payroll. So how is the payroll at HP?
Yeah, even I cannot disclose my salary,
No,
so
no.
please do not ask about that.
Okay.
Even in the comment section, please do not mention me also there. So the payroll team is a very cool team where they respond
Mm-hmm.
even soon after, because
Mm-hmm.
not only me, I'm facing the issue.
Mm-hmm.
There are lots of employees in the organization.
Mm-hmm.
So if we have any kind of a trouble, I mean trouble in the accounts, or
Mm-hmm.
there might be some server issues,
Mm-hmm.
they'll quickly get back to us. I mean,
Okay.
if we drop a mail to them. So
So
it's a super cool payroll team we have,
okay,
and even the supporting managers also there.
okay, like payroll team is too supported to its employee.
Employees, yeah.
So got it, Mokshit. So coming to its working hour. So per day, what is the working hour, Mokshit?
Per day it's 9 to 6, 9 in the
Nine to
morning
six.
and 6 in the evening, and we have
Okay.
some scheduled, unscheduled, and
Mm-hmm.
lunch breaks also.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Apart from that, I could say it's 8 hours
8 hours.
compulsory.
Okay.
Yeah,
So it's 5 days in a week, right?
yeah, 5 days.
So weekend it will be off probably.
Yeah.
So looking into its okay, what we are missing? Anything you want to add?
Anything like what could I say? I can say about the transportation
Yeah.
facilities.
Okay. Go
Yeah.
on.
So some of the organizations they do not support for the transportation,
Mm.
whether it's their own risk of the employee to travel to the office.
Okay.
As we can see nowadays, after the COVID, each and every organization, most of the organization have moved for the hybrid domain. So it would be like 1 or 2 days work from home. I
Okay.
mean, yeah,
Mm.
work from office. Sorry
Office.
about that, and office. Yeah,
Yeah.
and rest of the days will be in work from home.
Home. Okay.
So even the HP also follows the same thing. Currently, we have work from home for
Home.
2 days.
Okay.
So if any emergency occurs, means
Mm.
okay, we can take for work from home for 5 days also.
Mm.
So it all depends on the manager, and our manager is super cool.
Super cool.
So yeah, he approves for everything. I mean, it should be a genuine
Mhm.
reason for anything.
Okay.
Might be not even
Yeah.
in the my case. There might be some other things also.
Got it.
So yeah,
So
and
Mokshit.
even I would like to
Yeah. Go.
mention one more about the transportation.
Mm.
For I mean, in the gender basis.
Mm.
So in our HP,
Mm.
so for women's,
Mm.
it's a door drop and door pickup,
Okay.
and women cannot travel on their own transportation
Okay.
because it's against the policy of a HP.
HP. Okay.
So HP takes care of each and every woman employee about their safety and travel things.
So it's kind
So
of a plus point whether I see how much serious HP is regarding its safety process, and it's too good.
yes,
Mm.
I really appreciate for that thing what they have taken about that.
So how is in the for the male case, like for male?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, male we can go by our own transportation.
Okay.
So even I have gone 3 4 times for
Mhm.
with my own transportation,
Okay.
and
Okay.
yeah, rest of the time the cab will be arranged. Yeah, even for us also, it's an door pickup and a drop
Okay. No worries.
facilities there.
Got it, Mokshit. Got it. So Mokshit just wanted to know regarding its uh, notice period. So what is the time period about the notice period in HP? Can you talk on that?
Yeah, if anyone of a HP employee could leave the company, so it's a 1 month notice period.
Mhm.
I mean, for us as a tech support, it's a 1 month,
1 month. Okay.
and I promise that I think no one will decide to leave HP because of these facilities
Mhm.
what they are offering.
Assessment. Mhm.
And even I would like to talk about the accessories
Okay.
what the HP is providing.
Mhm.
So I think we lost that part
Yeah.
from previous thing.
Just add it.
So
Yeah.
HP is HP is providing greater accessories. I
Mhm.
mean the best.
Okay.
We have what i5 processor laptops,
Okay.
and you can see the
Headphone.
headset which
Okay.
is of Zabra's company.
Zebronic.
So yeah, we have they have provided the laser mouse.
Okay. Great.
So yeah, it could be movable on
Yeah.
any object apart
Okay.
from the water.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So everyone thinks, oh, it can be moved on any of the objects. Oh, okay, shall I move on the water? So no, please
Mhm.
keep reach out of those water things. And yes, even they have provided me the bag.
Like. Okay.
Yeah, sorry, it's full now. I
No. No
cannot
worries.
show about that.
No worries. No worries.
So, and in the welcome kit also they have given uh, COVID related things like
Okay.
a mask,
Okay.
door pinging
Okay.
object. There is an object,
hmm
and even they have provided the sanitizers.
Okay.
And even in the welcome kit, I would like to mention that they have given one more bag
Okay. Great.
that belongs to me, and a
Okay.
coffee mug. Once again,
Okay.
so here it is.
Okay. So, guys, if possible, we'll be doing a welcome kit. What he got from the HP in upcoming videos, if time permits. So, I cannot give a guarantee regarding that, but if Mokshit says, surely we'll do it.
Surely, I can do that.
Noted. So, yeah, Mokshit, I guess everything has been covered. So, if you want to add anything points additional to this, you can just mention it out, buddy.
Yes, I was saying about the technical training part.
Yeah.
So it's a super cool, and everyone says that it is the best,
hmm
easiest job where anyone can find.
Yeah.
And if they are only capable, they are good to go in the HP. So obviously, every company and every role has their own hikes
Hikes. Okay.
based on the period and the
hmm
performance.
hmm
So please do not worry about that. If
hmm
you are good to go with the technical part. And if you're kind of a non-coding person,
Good
so you
person.
can come here. Yeah, I
Agreed.
could really mention that, because it's an zero coding job where I am doing now.
Agreed. Agreed. So
And even
yeah.
I would like to mention about my technical trainers. They were
Mm.
good,
Mhm.
and each points were discussed in the each level.
Okay. Mhm.
And they were also saying that our batch was the highest batch, that we were asking many
Doubts.
doubts,
Doubts. Okay.
many doubts in the sessions.
Okay.
So sometimes it would be extended till 6:15 or 6:20 sometimes in the evening.
I guess really you people who are listening to the class. That's why you have many doubts in that when compared to other
That's what
batches.
that's Yeah, that I mean, no, I'm not blaming about any other
Other
batches.
batches.
So yeah, please, no controversies about that.
Okay. Agreed.
So our batch was around like this, I mean, like this. Yeah, we had a best time in the office. And last week, or before last week, we had met
Mm.
everyone.
Okay.
So some of them were missing, and I would wish they would also join us very soon.
Chalo. So I guess last point was kind of suggestion to the audience. So guys, if you are okay with the coding part, if you are not interested that much in the coding part, you can join HP, because here guys you can see the advantages. You will be getting opportunity to learn a lot regarding the technical stuff. So you can help others. And yeah, Akshay, just wanted to ask like, regarding your responsibilities at HP. Any talk on that?
So in the previous videos, I have already told that I'm a technical representative support.
Mm.
So in easy words, where I could say it as I'm a doctor of technical part.
Doctor of okay.
So I'm going through some process.
Mm-hmm.
So for each and every part in the laptop, we have some different process, and only if you get into the floor, you can know about everything, each and
Mm-hmm.
everything in the unit.
Mm-hmm.
So we call laptops as a unit now.
Okay.
So please
Okay.
remind about that.
Technical
So
words. Yeah.
yeah, always technical. And about more about my job is like, okay, we do pick the calls.
Okay.
We okay in the same technical representative, we have two different teams.
Mm-hmm.
So my team is called as a named account,
Mm-hmm.
where we'll be supporting around nearby 10,000 companies.
Okay. Great. Mm-hmm.
Yes. That too, that was an updated list from June or July 23rd, as far as we know.
Okay.
So we have some list of companies where we do technical support for those companies. It's around near 10,000 companies, where I can say.
Got it. So, and thanks for complete brief explanation regarding your responsibilities at HP. If you're not a subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and subscribe. And guys, we also have a Telegram community group called VGrow. A link has been put in the description. And just make use of our community. And if you have any kind of suggestion, just comment it in the YouTube comment section. Surely I'll be responding to your queries. And yeah, guys, this is today's talk. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.
Before we end this, please do share, like, and subscribe.
Take care, guys. See you.